Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are starting our stretch on health-related fitness and the particular areas of health-related fitness, I should say. And the first one that we'll start with is cardiorespiratory endurance, assessment, and prescription. So here we're talking about how your heart and lungs work together to deliver oxygenated blood throughout your body. We all know how important heart health is. In fact, heart disease is one of the leading killers in our society, in particular in our country, where we typically have a pretty poor diet and most of us don't get the physical activity that we need. And so really that's the purpose of this course, is to help you, of course, live well in terms of the holistic approach that we've talked about since chapter 1, but specifically intentionally incorporating more physical activity that would also have a focus on cardiorespiratory endurance, but then also being mindful of what it is you're putting into your body in terms of your diet and nutrition. And so this week is pretty much business as usual. We've got our PowerPoint, our quiz, your physical activity monitoring report, and your chapter 3 checklist. You don't have to do anything here if you just remember the checklist is what kind of helps you monitor your own progress. So if that bar is completely green, the bar that would be on the side over here, that should be filled with green, and you know that you've completed all the work for that week. If it's not green, if you have a little bit of white, that means that you missed something, and it could be something as simple as you simply clicking on a link. Guys, most of you are doing an outstanding job with this. Remember, online courses can be tough because it requires some discipline and time management, and it's easy to let it slip away from you. So remember, your attendance for this course is based on you submitting your work for that particular week. So to get credit for being present for the week of October 1st, you must do the chapter 3 assignments. You can't go back and do missing work. You can, but that won't get you credit for this week. So just be mindful of that. Stay on top of things. Also, the physical activity monitoring reports, most of you are doing a great job on that. If I haven't given you any feedback, that means you're doing exactly what I'm looking for. If I have given you feedback, please adhere to that. And remember, if you're doing the log or journal instead of submitting a file, then you need to be using this document here. Okay, that gives us more structure, and that's just how I want the log submitted. Okay, guys, look, have a great week. As always, I'm here for you if you need me. Remember, Chapter 3, Cardiorespiratory Endurance, Assessment and Prescription, due by October 1st. Take care, guys.